Welcome back to our channel, Calm Mind and Healthy Body. In recent years, the importance of gut health has gained significant attention, and for good reason. Our intestines are crucial in digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. A healthy gut can improve energy levels, mood, and a more muscular immune system. Conversely, an unhealthy gut can contribute to various issues, from digestive disorders to chronic diseases. Understanding how to repair and maintain our intestinal health is essential for our overall well-being. In this video, viewers can expect to learn about various natural remedies that can help restore gut health. We will explore dietary changes, herbal supplements, and lifestyle modifications that can support the healing process. By focusing on natural approaches, we aim to empower you with knowledge that can lead to lasting improvements in your health without relying on pharmaceuticals. Moreover, we will delve into the fascinating connection between intestinal health and overall well-being. Research has shown that the gut microbiome, the community of bacteria living in our intestines, plays a vital role in our physical and mental health. An imbalance in this microbiome can lead to issues such as anxiety, depression, and even autoimmune conditions. By prioritizing gut health, we can enhance our digestive function, mental clarity, and emotional stability. Join us as we uncover the secrets to repairing your intestines and transforming your health naturally. Whether you're dealing with specific gut issues or simply looking to enhance your overall wellness, this video will provide valuable insights and practical tips to help you. Before diving deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Understanding intestinal health. The intestines are pivotal in our overall health, serving as the primary site for digestion and nutrient absorption. When we consume food, it travels through the digestive tract, where the intestines break it down into essential nutrients that our body needs to function optimally. This process provides energy and supports vital bodily functions, including immune response and hormone regulation. A well-functioning intestinal system is crucial for maintaining a balanced and healthy body. However, many people experience common intestinal problems that can disrupt this essential function. One such issue is leaky gut syndrome, where the intestinal lining becomes damaged, allowing toxins and undigested food particles to enter the bloodstream. This can lead to inflammation and trigger various symptoms, including fatigue, food sensitivities, and autoimmune disorders. Other common intestinal problems include irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, inflammatory bowel disease, IBD, and constipation, all of which can significantly impact daily life. The impact of poor intestinal health extends beyond just digestive discomfort. Research has shown that an unhealthy gut can contribute to various health issues, including obesity, diabetes, and even mental health disorders like anxiety and depression. When the gut microbiome is out of balance, it can lead to systemic inflammation, affecting the digestive system and the entire body. Understanding the role of your intestines and recognizing the signs of intestinal problems is the first step toward improving your overall wellness. By prioritizing gut health, you can enhance your quality of life and support your body's natural healing processes. Natural remedies for repairing intestines. Incorporating natural remedies into your diet can significantly improve intestinal health. One of the most effective ways to support gut health is by consuming probiotics-rich foods. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that help restore balance in the gut microbiome. Foods like yogurt and kefir are excellent sources of probiotics, promoting healthy digestion and enhancing the immune system. Including these foods in your daily routine can help replenish the good bacteria in your intestines, aiding in the repair process. In addition to probiotics, fiber-rich foods play a crucial role in maintaining intestinal health. Fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes are packed with dietary fiber, which helps regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation. Fiber acts as a prebiotic, nourishing the beneficial bacteria in your gut. By incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your meals, you support your digestive system and boost your overall nutrient intake. Hydration is another essential aspect of gut health that is often overlooked. Drinking plenty of water helps keep the digestive system functioning smoothly and aids in the absorption of nutrients. Herbal teas such as ginger or peppermint can also be beneficial for soothing the digestive tract and reducing bloating. These natural remedies promote hydration and offer additional health benefits that can enhance your overall well-being. Focusing on these natural remedies, probiotic-rich foods, fiber-filled fruits and vegetables, and adequate hydration can help you take significant steps toward repairing your intestines and improving your gut health naturally. Lifestyle changes for better gut health. These changes can significantly enhance your intestinal health and support the repair process. One of the most effective modifications is incorporating regular physical activity into your routine. Exercise promotes digestion by stimulating the muscles in the gastrointestinal tract, helping food move more efficiently through the system. Whether it's a brisk walk, yoga, or a more intense workout, staying active can reduce bloating and improve overall gut function. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week to reap these benefits. In addition to physical activity, managing stress is crucial for maintaining a healthy gut. Chronic stress can disrupt the balance of bacteria in your intestines and lead to digestive issues. Meditation, deep breathing exercises, and mindfulness can help reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. Taking time daily to engage in these practices can improve your mental well-being and positively impact your gut health. Sleep is another vital component of overall health that should not be overlooked. Quality sleep allows your body to repair and regenerate, including the cells in your digestive system. Lack of sleep can lead to increased inflammation and exacerbate gut-related issues. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night to support your body's natural healing processes. By adopting these lifestyle changes, regular physical activity, effective stress management, and prioritizing sleep, you can create a supportive environment for your intestines to heal and thrive. These modifications enhance gut health and contribute to well-being, leading to a healthier life. Supplements. Certain supplements can support intestinal repair and enhance gut health. One of the most well-known categories of supplements is probiotics. These beneficial bacteria help restore balance in the gut microbiome, essential for proper digestion and overall health. Probiotics can be found in various forms, including capsules, powders, and fermented foods. Introducing these live microorganisms into your system can help alleviate bloating, gas, and irregular bowel movements. In addition to probiotics, prebiotics are equally crucial for gut health. Prebiotics are non-digestible fibers that serve as food for probiotics, promoting their growth and activity in the intestines. Foods rich in prebiotics include garlic, onions, bananas, and asparagus. However, if you find getting enough prebiotics from your diet challenging, consider taking a prebiotic supplement to support the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Another supplement worth considering is digestive enzymes. These enzymes help break down food into smaller, more absorbable components, making digestion more straightforward and efficient. For individuals who experience digestive discomfort or have conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, digestive enzyme supplements can provide relief by aiding in the breakdown of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Lastly, omega-3 fatty acids are essential for reducing inflammation in the body, including the intestines. Found in fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts, omega-3 supplements can help soothe an inflamed gut lining and promote overall gut health. By incorporating these supplements, probiotics, prebiotics, digestive enzymes, and omega-3 fatty acids, you can take significant steps toward repairing your intestines and enhancing your overall well-being. Monitoring your progress. Tracking your intestinal health improvements is essential for understanding what works best for your body and making informed decisions about your health journey. One effective way to monitor your progress is by keeping a food diary. By documenting what you eat and any symptoms you experience, you can identify potential food triggers contributing to digestive issues. This practice helps you recognize patterns and empowers you to make dietary adjustments that support your gut health. In addition to maintaining a food diary, regular check-ins with a healthcare professional are crucial. Whether it's a doctor, nutritionist, or dietitian, these professionals can provide valuable insights and guidance tailored to your specific needs. They can help you interpret your food diary, suggest appropriate tests, and recommend personalized strategies for improving your intestinal health. Establishing a routine for these check-ins can keep you accountable and motivated. Listening to your body's signals is another vital aspect of monitoring your progress. Pay attention to how you feel after meals, during physical activity, and in your daily routine. Are there specific foods that leave you feeling bloated or fatigued? Do you notice changes in your energy levels or mood when making dietary changes? Tuning into your body's responses can help you better understand your gut health and adjust accordingly. You can effectively track your intestinal health improvements by combining a food diary, regular healthcare consultations, and mindfulness about your body's signals. This proactive approach will empower you to make informed choices that lead to lasting wellness. Repairing your intestines is crucial to achieving better overall health. A well-functioning gut not only aids in digestion, but also plays a significant role in your immune system, mental well-being, and energy levels. Throughout this video, we've explored various natural methods to support intestinal repair, including incorporating probiotic and prebiotic foods, maintaining a fiber-rich diet, and staying hydrated. We also discussed the importance of lifestyle changes, such as regular physical activity, stress management, and prioritizing sleep to enhance gut health. Additionally, we highlighted the role of supplements like probiotics, prebiotics, digestive enzymes, and omega-3 fatty acids in promoting a healthy gut environment. By adopting these strategies, you can take proactive steps toward improving your intestinal health and, in turn, your overall well-being. We hope you found this information valuable and that it inspires you to make positive changes in your life. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about gut health and other wellness topics, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on our latest content, tips, and insights designed to help you on your health journey. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who may benefit from these natural remedies and lifestyle changes. Your engagement helps us reach more people and spread awareness about the importance of gut health. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.